What's up everybody, and today the new breakfast recipe is coming up. This is my favorite cup for overnight oats. It's just so simple and so comfy. And don't forget your spoon, of course. Everything you see on the table is really easy to get in the local supermarkets. What I'm actually doing. First and main ingredient is oats. Of course, bio. So let's fill our cup. I usually put only a half of a cup. This is my favorite oatmeal brand, because actually I'm hating the instant oatmeals and this is the whole grain one. Of course it has more vitamins and it's more satisfying. The next one is plain cacao. This is just the best choice for me because I don't consume any sugar. One tablespoon is more than enough. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Next one is my sweetener. This is stevia. In my previous video I did explain why I'm using it. And one is always enough, because stevia is actually really strong in flavor, so don't put too much. And one of my favorite ingredients, cinnamon. And I never spare cinnamon. I just like it so damn much. Cinnamon tin, stand up. And now we are mixing everything together. And next we are adding water. Mixing everything well again. And adding a bit of water again. So this is what we got in the end, and we are putting in the fridge. It's time to prepare some topping. Let's go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, which are really rich in amino acids. Also, we are adding some crushed almonds. And last but not least, we are putting the seed mix. I do usually put 2 teaspoons. And now we are adding a bit of almond milk. But you can use any plant milk you like. And soaking, soaking, soaking. Voila! This is so easy and so delicious. Make yourself some goodness.